And what do you have there?
I don't know.
Wat hapdeng shibun ki jing ki bagi samla nari pareng ki lai kendu namar ka lockdown hari India hi borok kawai Henry ka longpat ka khubor ka basngo tenat bagi noyalam jong ka Hill Farmers Union la sumar la shib nai tam ni kini ki samla ki bawan jong kai perthai ki bala sakut hapok ka jela jongi da ka jing rap uwai unong rep la dong ki inding uba kersoi biang lingdok kenshi kini ki pareng ki la yo alat bandum shibun ki jing tip shapang ka rep karyang badi ki jing thung organic lani ka jing rep baklem penin kam dawai kini ki samla ki la pen pau ki jing sok men ka bakrau bi la yo alat bansa ha kini ka farm jongu ki la pen pau ru bawat la ki la don ha ka jing khuslai ka bakrau pen ban ki ngok men ba ki yo alat ban pelut ya ka po jong ki ha ka kamri jingri bat ha ka kam rep Kasamla Flavia da kijing sok men wala shibun kijing kamat Hendrik ai kuble pat ya baro ki baldan kiti banyarap ya ka panpin poi biang salary jongka sha Brazil
They are big, you know?
Evidence for your friends also. Every time they say you don't work hard, you can show them this video. Huh? Now you have evidence for your friends. Every time they tell you that you don't work hard, just show them this video. Then they say, okay.
You plank or it was by extra?
I do something here and after that I will take garden too. Like that.
So you will get many papaya.
Yeah.
But here, no problem, huh? Because I am swimming here and there.
I can get to plant a lot.
More times a year.
I got 10,000 views.
And before you were a driver, you learned all this by yourself. You have a lot of knowledge. they never make a mess that you cannot open it or something. They always are very structured. This is it.
Pieces like this.
This is still working.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Right now I'm here in the beautiful farm where one of our farmers, Mr. Kersoybyang Lingdo, who is whom we know that he is a farmer who plant only organic in this farm. So with me in the left hand side, I have two beautiful people from two different countries, and Mr. Ivan from Netherlands, Miss Flavia from Brazil. So they are the two peoples who come far away from a different country to spend time with us, with our farmers here in this place. So I will ask a little bit of question about Ivan. Ivan, can you pronounce where we are right now?
We are in Donkey Ding Ding. Ding Ding. Ding Ding.
Donkey?
Donkey Ding Ding.
Donkey Ingding.
Donkey Ingling.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful name. A bit confusing though.
Okay. So how do you like this place?
Very nice. The Shanti. Very peaceful in the forest mountains, and very beautiful farm. Nice view. Very peaceful in the nature.
Okay. So Flavia, can you tell us what do you do every day in this farm?
Okay. Our routine is basically we wake up early morning at 8:30. Then we go to feed the animals. We feed the chicken,
Okay.
and then the duck, and then the pig.
Okay.
And after we have breakfast and we start working, like today.
Yeah.
We are going to plant turmeric, and
Okay.
other day we went to plant some pines.
Yeah.
And it's
And
it's
yesterday,
very
where
enjoyable.
you spent time yesterday?
And yesterday we went to the river
Okay.
close by. We went to
Okay.
walking there.
Okay.
It's very
so
nice.
You do some fishing also.
Yes, we tried to catch some fish.
Okay.
Ivan is a good fisherman,
Okay.
and Alfred also is a good fisherman.
Okay. So we are enjoying a lot.
Yes,
Yes,
very
okay.
enjoyable.
So what about the food?
Oh, the food is very tasty,
Okay.
and they cook for us, and we are enjoying everything. Meghalaya food is also very good.
Okay.
So we are eating very well here. We really recommend also.
Yeah.
Very tasty.
So even though like in our farm we face a lot of problem about network. So but still to sculpt from the world and then to get connected to the nature. So Ivan, like what do you have to say if your friend asks you about to spend time in a farm? Would you like to suggest this place for your?
Yeah, definitely. I would invite all my friends and family to come here to stay for some time. Get back to the roots in the nature, and even though there is no good connectivity, you don't need it because you're so happy to be away from all the busy hassle of the daily life.
Yeah.
So it's very good to be here and do the work and to stay with the animals and the natural sounds.
Yeah,
Mhm.
the beautiful nature. So we have prepared a very small small home for you to stay. Do you like it?
Beautiful, traditional, like local style. Very very good. It's simple but perfect.
Simple but perfect. Okay. So thank you so much, Mr. Ivan and Flavia, for spending your time with us, and we are so glad to receive you here. And from the Hills Farmer Union, we are so happy to receive more guests to come and visit our farmers in Meghalaya. Even though we are simple, but we have a big heart to receive each and everyone, even our friends from India and even the friends from all over the world to come and visit our farmers in Meghalaya. Thank you so much.
Hills Farm Union, highly recommended. Go for it. It's the best experience. Okay.
And I also would like to thank you, Hill Farmers Union, Alpron and Vana Krishna. We are spending a very good time here. And I recommend everybody to come here and enjoy also a bit with nature.
Come on, Fla, come on. You can do it, yes.
This yellow one. Very good.
The yellow one. Good catching.
Oh!
Hello, my friends from India. Finally, after a long time, I'm back to Brazil. And I would like to thank you, all my friends, and my friends from India, from Shillong also. And hope to see you again. Bye bye.